Hey folks, this is Paul. I am, for the first time, playing with Screencast-o-matic's ability to record both my screen and using the webcam to record my headshot as I talk to you. So right now I'm on this site from Columbia University up in New York. This is the Center for Teaching and Learning, and they are pretty phenomenal folks. They're always at the cutting edge of teaching in all things, really, K through 12 plus post-secondary. Anyway, this right here is just about video production best practices, and there are just some cool little bulleted pieces of info of things to think about that you may not have been really thinking about as you've been making videos for your students. So really, this is two things. This is showing you this website, but it's also showing you that you do have the ability to record both your screen and yourself. So let me know if you want help figuring this out. Thanks.